How to fix GCash app EKYC enabled error. This will be 100% solved. If you're facing the EKYC enabled error on the GCash app, it typically means there is an issue with your electronic Know Your Customer verification. This process is crucial for increasing your transaction limits and unlocking additional features with the app. First, ensure you are having a solid internet connection. Try switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa. Make sure you are in an area with good network reception. Then update the GCash app. Check for updates. If there's an update, tap update and let it install the latest version of the app. Once updated, restart the app and check if the error persists. Then clear cache on and data on Android. Open up settings, scroll down to apps and notifications. Find GCash, tap storage, select clear cache, and then clear data. Restart the GCash app and try again. Then verify your ID again. So re-verify your ID by opening up the GCash app, go to profile, verify now or start verification under the identity verification section. Select the appropriate type of valid ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to take a selfie and upload the ID. Make sure your photo is clear and readable. After submitting, the app will process your ID and photo for verification. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours for this process to complete. Once your verification is successful, you should no longer encounter the EKYC error. If nothing works, just contact the GCash support. So in the GCash app, go to help and then select contact us. You can either chat with a representative or submit a ticket detailing your EKYC error. If this helped you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.